Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. Today will be my last video of 2020. I did decide to put on a red lip, although it is past Christmas, and I thought I'd wear it for today's video as we are doing what I got for Christmas. I got quite a few things, and just a disclaimer before we start this video, in no way am I trying to brag. I think you guys all know that. I just think it's sometimes nice to see what people get for Christmas, and it gets me some ideas for what I should gift next year and stuff. So with all that said, if you're new to my page, welcome. My name's Jeanette at In My Seams. I'm a fashion TikToker, YouTuber. I make videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and style hacks, especially for women with larger chests. So if you want to come follow me and hang out with me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Can we just take a minute for my vintage YSL pins here? So they're 3 little buttons, and all together they make YSL logo. Christmas this year was a little bit different than previous years in our family because first of all, COVID happened. Second of all, this was the first year that we really dedicated getting gifts to our family members, and it just felt like such a blessing. In my previous Christmas vlog, I kind of showed you guys our Christmas tree, and there was just so many gifts under there, and I'm not trying to brag, it's just incredible how it was one of the hardest years ever, but yet this is the year that we've gotten the most Christmas gifts under our tree this year. So it just felt like such a blessing. I love Christmas because I just love giving gifts. Like I don't know if that's my love language. I just love giving gifts, and I actually gave 25 gifts to all of you guys on my Instagram for 25 days of Giftmas. You guys reposted them, and it just really warms my heart to see you guys enjoying just a little bit of what I get to enjoy because of you guys. So yeah, that's just a heartfelt moment that I wanted to have with you. But let's get on with what my sisters got me. So the first thing that I got from my oldest sister is a very practical person, and she gifted me with something very practical. Some may feel that it is a little bit strange. Some may say it is really gross. I really enjoy, oh God, I hate saying this out loud. I really enjoy ear picking. Oh my God, it makes me want to throw up even saying that out loud. I don't know what it is about me, but I really like, picking at things and looking at gross stuff and watching pimple popping videos. I know it's disgusting. So my sister saw this thing on TikTok. It's called Spade. It is a ear cleaning reinvented. Pretty much what this does is it hooks up to Bluetooth to your phone. You download an app. There's a camera. So there's a camera attached to this little device. You can see the inside of the ear as you kind of pick the ear. For the person that you are picking their ear for, it's really nice to actually see and be guided as to what you're doing. I've actually used this already on my brother and my siblings. They are obsessed with it. My parents are like, we're living in the year 3000 because they're just like, wow, this is amazing. And they're really enjoying it as well. My other sister got me a Patagonia jacket, a half zip actually. So the 3 of us, me and my other 2 sisters, we were pretty much wearing this all Christmas long. I've never had anything from Patagonia, and it's very cozy. It's so practical because I live in Los Angeles. It's not super duper cold like it was in Michigan when I was in college, but it's nice and just like cozy, and it'll keep me nice and warm. Thank you to my sister for getting me that. So I actually really enjoy getting more experience types of gifts. So whether that's tickets or, scrapbooks or cards, and like sentimental gifts are more meaningful to me, or like a really beautiful dinner. Like I love those types of gifts. So my younger brother, he's so sweet. Okay, I've got to show you guys. I've got like all my Christmas cards here. But he got me like, this is so cute. Okay, first of all, he like cut up pieces of the wrapping paper and like taped it onto here. We tied a lot of our boxes and presents with ribbon around the edges like this. You see that line? My brother doesn't know how to do that, so he just cut up a piece of string and then taped it on the back like this. He got me a little coupon book of, I don't know how many things. I think there's like 12 or 16 things in here of like little favors that he's gonna do for me. He did it in the style of Uno cards or Monopoly deal, because we play a lot of these games with my siblings. That's what my brother gave me, and and I just want to keep like this whole thing because I just think it's so cute. I don't want to throw it away ever. I'm signed under Rare Global. I don't know if any of you guys know that because I didn't really announce it on my YouTube channel, but I'm signed with Rare Global, and they gifted me with a box of just self-care items. But something I wanted to show you guys was this slip silk mask that they gifted me with, and it has my name embroidered on the corner right there with a little red lip kiss, as well as a silk hair turban that is also embroidered with my name on it as well. This is so pretty that I don't even want to wear it because it's just so beautiful. Justin, my boyfriend, he got me the gift. If you guys watched my Christmas vlog, he gave me the most beautiful gift, the most beautiful memory that I want to relive over and over again. It was just the sweetest thing. You guys can see it on my Christmas vlog. It's already posted, so I'll leave a link to that video at the end of this video, but he pretty much set up this beautiful surprise Christmas date at the spot where we always go for our dates, especially recently with COVID. We drive up to this view around me, and we always take dinner, and because he drives a Tesla, we can watch like Netflix movies and things like that as we watch the sun go down. It's really romantic, and it's very safe date idea if you're looking for that. That's that. And then from his parents, they didn't know what to gift me with either, and I told them that it's really okay, I don't need anything, but they still wanted to get me something, so they both got me like different gift cards. I got 2 Nordstrom gift cards, one for $100 and one for $50, and then 1 Nike gift card, which I've already redeemed for a pair of shoes. I'm gonna leave a picture of them here because they haven't arrived yet, but I got the Metcon 3s in the men's in all black, and I don't really have like a good Nike training shoe because a lot of them are more lifestyle. And then along with my Nike gift card, I got this heritage Nike hat that says "Just Do It" in all white. I just love it so much. So thank you to Justin's parents. I haven't used these yet, but I'm excited to very soon. And from my sister's boyfriend, I got a huge charger, and this might seem like such a strange gift, but it is so necessary, especially for what I do. You guys can't see this, but I have like this crazy light set up right now. I've got 2 lights here, a ring light in the back. I've got my MacBook here. I've got so many things that I need to plug in because I do TikTok videos and I film it from the app. My phone just runs out of battery, so I can keep it plugged in while I'm filming. So this is perfect. I'm leaving this in this room. And then this one is from my cousin who spent Christmas with us. She's from Korea and she's staying in America, but it is you guys can already see it. It is the famous cult Gaia bag, the original cult Gaia bag that kind of put them on the map. How stunning is this bag? I really want to go to a trip somewhere, hopefully in 2021 summer, so that I can actually wear this bag. I love this size. I know it comes in multiple sizes, but this size is perfect for just like the beach, for poolside. I always wanted one of these bags, but I never ended up pulling the trigger because I was always saving up for different bags or other things that I wanted to buy, and I just never got around to buying this particular piece, but I'm so glad that I have it. Thank you so much to my cousin, Christina, for getting me that. I'm so excited. Many of you guys know this, but you guys have given me the best Christmas gift in the whole wide world, which is just by supporting me and following me. And we are almost at 1.6 million followers on TikTok, and almost at 150K on my Instagram. And here on my YouTube, we're almost at 100,000 followers, which is just crazy just to think about where I was a year ago. You know, with everything that I went through and my Forbes feature, my Tamron Hall show feature, you know, I was featured in a few different press opportunities, and a lot of just big things kind of happened this year, but I decided to get myself a really, really special gift. I normally don't like spending like crazy amounts of money. I can't justify paying thousands and thousands of dollars for things, but I did get myself a Chanel bag. Buying secondhand is better not only for the environment, but it's also better for your wallet and just your bank account. So I don't think there's anything wrong with buying pre-loved items, especially right now with the crazy price increases at Chanel. So there's tons of people who, you know, wear their bags once and then they resell them, and then, you know, you get so much bang for your buck. So it even came with all the original stuffing and everything like that. But oh my gosh, I cannot wait to show you guys. And again, like, I know I don't need to show you guys all this stuff because sometimes it feels like it's braggy, but you guys have really been with me through it all, so I thought I'd still share it with you. And it is this right here. This is a patent leather silver hardware classic flap in the medium size, and it's just everything that I've wanted in a bag. It's so beautiful. It's in the most outstanding condition, and it is just so gorgeous. I wanted to get the patent leather because it feels very young and it feels very me. The caviar felt a lot more mature, and even the lambskin. So this just felt very young and very just me right now in my age. Like, this is exactly what fits my style right now. So I haven't gotten to wear her out yet. It was in perfect condition. It literally looks brand new. All the receipts, this was purchased at Bergdorf Goodman in New York City, and I have all of that paperwork in the box as well. So that's that. A few final things. I did also purchase a Louis Vuitton fragrance. This is, I don't even know how to pronounce it. It's called Coeur Battant. This fragrance is so special to me. This fragrance I only wear when I go on dates with my boyfriend. It's the only fragrance that I want to remember to have with my boyfriend, that like when we go on dates and things. I love it. It smells so good. I originally got a Trep, the most famous one, but I didn't really like the scent on me, so I ended up going back and exchanged it for this one, which is just stunning. The scent is so beautiful. It feels so luxurious when you wear it. It smells probably different on everybody, but yeah, I know my boyfriend loves this one as well. New Balance was so kind and sent me and my boyfriend pairs of shoes, and because of that, my family has been hooked on New Balance shoes. My mom gifted it to my aunts and uncles, and my brother got a pair, and just we are just like a New Balance family right now. And I wanted to show you a pair that they sent over to me, and then because of the style, I love the style, I ended up getting my own pair. But the style that they sent me was the 327s, this one right here, and they sent it in the blue colorway, and I love this colorway so much. This is the style. It is such a beautiful lifestyle everyday shoe. I love this colorway, but because I wanted something neutral as well, this is great to wear with like an all white outfit or an off-white outfit, or even just like a navy outfit, blue outfit. Like, you could wear this with brown, so many different colors. And because I love that style so much, I ended up getting another pair. This one I did purchase separately from Goat because it is, I think it's from the men's size, but it is just these ones here. New Balance sent over this style to my boyfriend in this colorway, so I ended up getting the same ones, and I wanted to just do a couple, shoe for the both of us, and we love this shoe so much. I can just see us traveling or decide to have dates and stuff. I just feel like this would be the perfect shoe to wear together, and the style is so flattering on a foot. I just love it so much. They're so comfortable. The gum sole is just so beautiful. I just had to mention that to you guys because New Balance has just been so generous to me, and it felt like Christmas, and so I just thought I would give them a little shout out as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing the things that I got, and you got some ideas for what you want to get next year or what you want to gift. Thank you again so much to you guys for all your love and support. I want to continue to give back to you guys as much as I possibly can, because really I cannot do this without you guys. So thank you guys so much. I hope you had a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.